Let's take a look at Nike, as this one is starting to come off of its 200-day moving average and looking quite interesting. Today, it's Sunday, August 24th, 2025. And what I have for you right here, folks, is the daily chart of Nike. Ticker symbol is NKE, and we could see the pink line, which is my 200-day moving average that I always talk about. We've been under it ever since over here. Right? We shot up a little bit, came down, and have been trading below it ever since. We finally have reclaimed the 200-day moving average, right? In recent, let's say, the past 2 months now. Since July, we gapped up on earnings right here. Gapped up, and look at that. It came down, and it held right there on the 200-day moving average. And now it's just kind of consolidating, suggesting that potentially to the upside. If we zoom out, we could get a better perspective of where things have traded ever since. So check this out now. Now on the monthly chart, every candle represents 1 month. And we could see that basically back in 2022 was when this stock really took a hit. And that was the period when interest rates were rising, right? So this stock declined, and it did try to bounce around the end of 2022, had a nice large bounce, but continued to maintain and decline in this channel right here. So if you look at it, it's been in a decline for quite some time now, for many years. I like stocks like this because, well, it in one way, from a longer, bigger picture perspective, there is potential for a huge reversal. But the other thing to note is Nike's a pretty solid company, right, in terms of its sales and earnings and everything. Looking at the price action real quick, again, we know that this stock went from 100 as high as 180 to as low as $60. And then now a reversal is starting to develop. So I like to look at stocks like this from time to time. I'm not like a big dip buyer, but for companies that I know have a strong name and I'm looking for something a little bit longer in duration, this one is starting to look interesting to me. So that's my take on Nike. Again, this is not investment advice, folks, just an analysis. Let me know what you think.